Hi, Scott Lara, Scott Lara 1961 on Twitter, Scott Lara 1961 on Instagram, thecruisegenius.com, the Residence Suite 11325. Now I'm going to tell you, you're going to have to be at a level at the travel club to get this room. So this is not for everybody. This is travel club. So this is what is called the Residence. Now, I have friends that have had this amazing, I can't even say this is a room. This is just an amazing, if you have family, friends, you're having a board meeting, this is the place right here. And I'll come back out to the balcony in a minute, but I just wanted to get this video so you can see just the luxury of this suite. Let's call it a suite, okay? So here's the bathtub. So let's say you got your grandkids in this room, right? And then you're gonna come over here and the huge couch. Okay, good. And then you can have dinner here. They can bring it up to you. And over here is like the butler's pantry where, let's see, I can hit that. This is where the butler's pantry is. You can probably, I haven't got the light on, but you'll see that that's the butler's pantry right there. Let's bounce over here and excuse the shoes. And here's, that's where the lady can, get ready for dinner, plug all her stuff in. This is the master bathroom. And I think it's got a sauna, if I remember correctly. There's the rainfall shower right there. Here's the bathtub right here. That's the sauna right there. I remember that. So you got a nice sauna. This is the bathtub. And of course, that does come down so you can have privacy. You're looking over the pool. That's the travel club pool. Let's come back out here. And again, I'm moving kind of quick, I know. Boom. So here's where the lady's getting ready for dinner. And I really think the best part of this room, besides this master bedroom here, which is very nice. Let me back up. Boom. Now, this I think is the best part of this room. Look at this balcony, and this video does not do this balcony justice. Let me lean here. This is the balcony, right? So it's got this huge hot tub, swimming pool area, and then look at this view here. This is utterly amazing, right? You got a view of the beach, you're way high up. You can look down here at the travel club, pool, travel club lounge over there. Again, a great seating area. You got family and friends. You know, they will bring food up here to you. Again, some loungers out here. And these are the bedrooms, you know, we looked at a moment ago that, you know what I'm saying? So this is just an amazing, amazing room. 3 bedrooms total. You got the master bedroom and the 2 other bedrooms for the grandkids. And again, you got to be travel club for this, right? You got to be travel club. And so if you are interested in this, Palladium Travel Club. Scott Lara 1961 on Twitter, Scott Lara 1961 on Instagram, cruisegenius.com, Residence.